Professor Liu is going to use the object-oriented programming method to teach you how to create this invoice project. When you see this invoice project, it's invoice project. So you are required to develop the first class. It's called invoice class. Okay, and let's take a look what the task the invoice class can do. And sometimes invoice class has to use other class to do it. For example, I can display invoice. That's invoice class doing. Next, because invoice class is going to create template for any store here. So it will not be all the time same small appliance. It will be Best Buy, Walmart, and mom's donut shop, something like that. So I actually need to get this address, display the store address from an address class. After that, I will display this thick line separator. This can be done by the invoice class. Okay. Then next, I can write this type table header. It can be done by invoice class. Now notice I have 3 items. When a cashier scan, okay, so scan it. I got the toaster and I get the unit price. It's not done by the invoice. It's done by product class. Once you scan it, alright, the QR code will link to a product class. It tells you the name for that, and the unit price $29.95. But how many? How many? What's the quantity this product will buy? Depend by the cashier. Cashiers scan 1 time, I put 1. Cashier scan 2-3 times, I put 3. As soon as I got that quantity done, so you in this one, so I already have a product class. You understand? So I got product and I got combination of cashier gave me the quantity. I times them together and become a total price. Total price. So this is not done by invoice. Alright, it's actually done by product class and times this. So we are going to use another class called line item class. So line item class will form this line item based on the product class and based on how many times the product was scanned by the cashier and will complete this total price. So this I have 3 product done. Then I display the thick line separator. This can be done by invoice class. Then display amount due. Okay. Then I'm going to do the total amount. So for this, one more time, be able to let the invoice class is. This is done by invoice. Alright. And this will be done by address class. Okay, this will be done by address class. Alright, and they have relationship, and this line will be done. This line can be done by the invoice class. This is fine. And for these 3 line, we are going to done by the line item class. Line item class. But the line item class cannot complete all these. So line item class need to call product class. Line item class need to use product class. Alright. Then when you do another separate line here, then you display this. So this can be done again. This can be done again by your invoice class. Alright, so do you understand this project? Alright, so this is a design for this project. We have 4 different classes to do this. Okay?